Good morning, Saturday morning. Wall Street Pete's sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Well, every day talking to you, coming with a live. Hit that like and subscribe. Talking about going to the moon and going soon. How's everybody doing this Saturday morning, evening, afternoon, depending on when you watch the video? But if you're in the live, it is a morning. It is Saturday. It is April 29th. We're going to talk a little bit about the PePe coin. Talk a little bit about what MasterCard's doing. I'm pretty excited. So come become a wolf. Hit the bell, all notification, hit the bell button right up there on the top right and become a subscriber today. It's free. As we have someone who just commented, clueless, I guess, because they must have just read the last one talking about how we have to finish above 30,600 to maintain the bull run. I was giving everyone an example of how 25,000 is coming, as we've talked about for the last week. So I guess when people watch a 3-second video, 3 seconds of a video and get lost, well, that's up to you. That's why you become a subscriber. So you can caught up to date and get the actual great information. So I was checking out PePe. What's going on? I'm sure everybody wants to hear about it, right? It's been trending for many, many days. We're actually behind, I know, but we're going to talk a little bit about it because we are up to date. This is what we do. We talk about the crypto news for you, talk about what you asked for, and some people are asking for this. So here we are. All right, so let's get into it. Total crypto market cap, and talking about a 25,000 Bitcoin for a while. That Bitcoin was checking it out, 85.2 followers on Twitter. That is a very, very strong follower for a meme coin. So pretty excited to see that right there. And then a lot of people want to know where it is, how to trade it, where is it going, what is it doing? It was up 26% in the last 24 hours, now at 22.7 currently. There are... Let's see what's going on. We got our all-time highs here coming in. And where could we buy it? Well, a lot of people want to know that immediately. MEX, you can get it through the Uniswap. If you'd be able to do that, you can. And if you want to come into here, how to find out how to link it to your MetaMask. That is also in this link in here if you click below. There it is, how to add PePe to MetaMask. So if you want to do that as well, also Gate.io has that as well. So I don't know why Gate.io is not on there, but it's a meme coin, guys. Everybody's getting excited, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk a little bit about some TA on it. Meme coin, right? Holders turned $250 into $1 million in 4 days, but can they sell it? That is actually a really good question. If you're not on the right exchange, a lot of people are not going to be able to sell it if there's no one buying. But there is a lot of people buying. There's a lot more wallets coming in. So this is actually growing. This is getting exciting here. Quick into the news real quick before we talk about PePe. Looking at this chart here actually on TradingView. So I don't know if anyone is excited for that. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going to talk about this on the chart, the top and the lows of how I think we're going to hit some resistance here coming in and how I think there'll be a buying opportunity. It's up 63% if you bought it 3 days ago. So that's, or even 2 days ago, the 27th right here, if you see. So let's do a little bit of some talking about that as we go through the news real quick. Elon Musk introduces Twitter monetization avenues for content creators like me and other people that want to talk about it through YouTube and other things. So now you can now make money. Worldwide creators across the globe can now sign up and earn a living on Twitter. Thank you, Mr. Elon Musk, for making Twitter great again. Solana has outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum since January, thanks in part to Mad Lad's NFTs, which we have heard about before on this channel, so very good. More information, hit the like and subscribe. Good morning, please. We just asked for keep the algorithm moving so this channel can keep going. Venmo will enable fiat to crypto payments in May. Users of the mobile payment service will also be able to receive crypto through a QR code or external crypto address. Pretty excited for that. Dropping to announce the new feature. So users of mobile service Venmo will soon be able to buy cryptocurrencies and send them to other Venmo users or external wallets beginning in May. So that's pretty exciting. Venmo, thumbs up for you. Very exciting. MasterCard, I want to talk about that, why MasterCard is jumping into the news this morning. We should have talked about that immediately. Pretty excited about that right now. Why? Because MasterCard launches Web3 user verification solution to curb the bad actors. It's about time. If you ask me, this is the first step of some type of regulation without regulation being really involved. It's just a way to get rid of some of the bad people. And this is fantastic. Thank you for finally doing so. We'll watch some of this without trying to get a copyright.
Providers need solutions that build trust, improve convenience, and ensure compliance. At MasterCard, we have a vision to unlock the potential of crypto and blockchain technology, creating a more inclusive payments ecosystem that gives people more options for how they pay. We're introducing MasterCard Crypto Credential.
And that's what I wanted to get at. So MasterCard Crypto Credentials. So they're going to basically make it a lot harder for you to be able to steal and I guess do fraud through the crypto space. So I'm pretty excited for this. Thank you, MasterCard, for developing and creating that. And Crypto Bubble, we got Woo down 6%. RNDR also down 6%. It's time for other couple altcoins, as you can see. Aptos up 6.8. ICP has been moving between 10, now 7.5%. Looking pretty strong there. So we'll see what happens going in. But I want to get to the PePe coin, right? A lot of people are excited. One last final thing. That's next. PePe, excuse me. But Polygon-matic forged alliance with Google Cloud to spruce up its ecosystem. So Polygon-matic, every time I turn around for $1, going once, going twice, right? Polygon-matic is trading $1 currently. How many polygons would you need to be a millionaire? Could you buy 100,000, right? Would you buy 10,000 and get 10,000 Polygon? If it's $1 right now, that's currently the what would happen, the ratio. I'd be pretty excited to have that with 10,000. I think that'd be a pretty good number to become a millionaire, right? Anywhere from 10,000 to 100,000 is probably something it's going to take, but I would say more of the 10,000 mark. Why? Because, well, I think there's a big potential growth in Polygon-matic, not financial advice, but just going through my experience with everything, seeing how the coins are moving and how everything can go. If you remember, Ethereum in 2017 was trading $35. So it's kind of crazy. You think about $35, and then you think about where we went all the way to 2,900, almost 4,000, 4,700, excuse me. Now trading $18.99. So here's the PePe coin. A lot of people want to hear about it. A lot of people want to know about what this is. This is the Gate.io chart. As you can see, currently we have a top here. There are 6 zeros in front. So we have to erase 6 zeros or perhaps 5 zeros in order to get this to a penny. So we need to get 5 zeros off here. How much money would it be? What would the percent gain if I got excited today, sir? Mr. Wall Street Pete. And I wanted to get into this asset, right? I'm that excited. I want to get into this. I'm going to hold it. I don't plan on selling this for a while, but I want to know what kind of money would be gained if I said today at the price that we're at, and we're going to have to adjust this because I don't know where we would be at. 6 zeros would be all the way down to the 2, 1. Now, if we came all the way up to 1 cent, and this is what I would like to do, it's fun. You could definitely get an understanding of what could happen, how millionaires could be made. We're talking about a number, and we're going to find out in a second. What's the percentage gained off that? Let's get to like a weekly so we can really see what's going on here. You would have 27,300 money on your percentage here for that trade today, roughly. So that's that's a lot, guys. This is why people get involved. This is why people are excited about the crypto space. This is why we are in the crypto space in general, because there are opportunities like this, like no other, and people don't really seem to understand that this is what can happen. So PePe coin with the volume, with the big followers, the big community and everything, and decentralization with this, people are excited. And I'm going to get back to the price, if I may, after I get a chance here to unzoom out after that nice dream of 1 cent, right? And this is what everybody dreams of: SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin was at that point in time. And now, as you can see, Dogecoin is doing its own thing, right? Elon Musk created it and brought it to life. Pretty quiet in this comment section this morning. Hopefully we're working it up and running. But as you can see here, so what a good buy would be, and what I'm looking to do is probably 50% from here. So PePe, if I was to get involved, would set this up. I'm getting a double top there, 1, 2. So I am very, very bearish currently what's happening. But when am I going to buy back? When am I going to get involved in the purchase, the buyback? I believe that's where I'm going. What could happen is there's 2 levels, so don't be fooled. And there's your 2 levels. I'll give you 1 green, the first level, and then the other one will do like a red, just to keep you up to date. Don't let it be fooled. Let's see. This is my strategy only. This would be my buyback. We're getting a pullback and a correction, and these would be the prices. 50% most likely on the Fibonacci, the 27.8. But these are the 2 levels that Wall Street Pete will be dollar cost averaging if the opportunity does occur. Not guaranteed to receive this, but I think this is what we're going to get back to. So I'm pretty excited for this. I will be paying attention. I will be loading my bags at these prices. That's the 29.4. I don't know why we're not matching up correctly. All right, is that what that says? Oh, that's the top of the line. So the top of the line is 29.4, excuse me. And the bottom of the line seems to be around 28. So 27, 28 in that range if you pay attention. We're looking to get this double top perhaps and come back. What we'll be getting is maybe a right shoulder come in. And if we go a little lower, it's okay. But this is why your dollar cost average. So pretty volatile waves, as you can see here. Only about 50% down from this top peak into this bottom flat support level that we've been receiving. So I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci just to get rid of it. But now that I know that this is the 50% pullback here and the 38.2 here, I'm pretty excited to know those are my levels. I'm going to see what happens when we get closer to that. So let's see here. Adjust. I don't like having both the same color. But that's what I'm doing. So just trying to do a quick video, 12-minute video, nothing crazy. Perhaps maybe even all the way to 15 minutes max, but I do believe that we're going to get some resistance here. This is what I've been talking about for the past 7 days. So we'll see what happens here as we're coming down. We're getting into the weekend Sunday, and I do believe if we don't break out of this pattern coming in here, coiling up, which is why I've been waiting for one more tick all the way up to test 30,600, which wouldn't surprise nobody. This is what I think can happen. And then what will happen is you're going to buy like a jackass, and we're going to come down and ultimately be doing something like that. So pay attention to what's happening, and then we will get a big bounce all the way up to the upside. We'll see what happens. Does it take us to the 27.7? Again, test that, bringing us back to 25, where I think would be an excellent buyback for Bitcoin. Doesn't necessarily have to happen. As you can see here, I've been harping on it for a while. Double top here coming in. Do we get exactly what I'm saying here? One last tick to the upside. As you can see, even on the 4-hourly, looks like we're going to get a big bounce. Dead cap, but the trend now is coming to the downside, as you can see, even on this oscillator here. Can we do that? Can we do that? Bollinger Bands. Does it come out? Yes, we can do it. We couldn't do it on PePe. Bollinger Bands coming in for the 4-hourly. And my Bollinger Bands are getting tight. And actually, as you can see here, now that we're getting tight and they're coming in, well, it's actually got the neckline a little even here, but I believe it is to the downside. So at least we're getting a breakout like we should be, but hey, this could be a quick fall. Get the dollar cost average into this before we start bouncing to the right side. So we'll see what happens. My name is Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. None of this is financial advice. Every day, come over with some crypto news, talking about technical analysis, talking about the crypto news, going over lots of things today. We had a lot of good times here. Getting 40 minutes of sleep, shorted Bitcoin on leverage. The price went up, right? It was a quick joke there. We had a good time. But gentlemen, I used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. I used to work in this crazy atmosphere. Every day we come to you, if we can, with a video talking about this crypto space, where we think Bitcoin, where we think crypto will go. This is the badge. This is basically New York Mercantile Exchange, 1 North End Avenue, World Financial Center, New York, New York, where we used to go every day and be so happy to get there. So watch the video, check out the levels. Like I said, this is my strategy. I hope to see you in the next live soon. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Love y'all. See you soon. Take care.